All right, so with the spot Bitcoin ETF decision coming very quickly, there's two camps. Some people are expecting it is guaranteed that a spot Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved in the first few weeks of January. And the other camp says that there's no shot. There's been a lot of hints, a lot of decisions that have happened recently that prove we're not going to see a spot Bitcoin ETF approved in early 2024. But regardless of the situation, we're definitely going to see a lot of volatility in the crypto market, and volatility usually presents a number of opportunities for you to make money. So this is where a new crypto project that I recently invested in, it's in its pre-sale. It's called Green Bitcoin, and ultimately Green Bitcoin is a gamified staking platform that allows participants to earn rewards by predicting Bitcoin price action. And that's exactly where a spot Bitcoin ETF approval comes into place, because there's going to be a lot of volatility, a lot of different price movements in the coming weeks where you can earn significant rewards from this project called Green Bitcoin. So Green Bitcoin is a project that's in pre-sale. It's raised around $450,000 at the time of filming. Right now, one GBTC token is equal to $0.3989. You can buy it with ETH, USDT, card, BNB. You can connect your wallet just like you can with a lot of the pre-sales I talk about on the channel. And Green Bitcoin's native ecosystem token symbol is GBTC. It's completely unrelated to Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. It's just a token with the same symbol. It has plans of launching on major exchanges after its pre-sale. And the way it works is extremely simple. You buy GBTC token. You then can stake it. When they do launch their game, then you predict the price of Bitcoin, whether it's going to go up or down in the next 24 hours. And then after you predict it, once that 24 hours is up, well, then you can go ahead and claim your tokens. And they have a few different ways where you can earn more tokens by staking it for longer, but this is the basic mechanics of this game. It's a Bitcoin price prediction token, ultimately, that has a game where you can buy this token. The token can appreciate in value long term, but also you can earn additional rewards simply by betting on the price of Bitcoin. And a number of different exchanges offer this sort of similar feature where they have this gamified approach towards cryptocurrencies, where you can bet on token prices in the next 24 hours or in a certain period of time. But the difference is with Green Bitcoin, not only can you bet on Bitcoin's price going up and down, but you can also earn money from simply holding GBTC tokens. So by holding that token, you can earn money from it appreciating in value, you can earn money from simply staking it, and you can earn money from predicting correctly whether Bitcoin's price is going up or down in a 24-hour window. Right now, like I said, they have had raised about $450,000. They have over 1.15 million GBTC tokens staked. 62% of all the tokens that have been bought have been staked, and you can see the total rewards that have been paid out is just under 350,000 GBTC tokens. So they have had a full audit done by CoinSouls. You can see there have been no major issues for this project in terms of its smart contract. You can see all the information right here. Zero high risk, zero medium risk, zero low risk. There's just zero issues in general with the smart contract, and it's a pretty simple approach. They've gained a lot of followers on Twitter, and I think it's pretty interesting. So if you take a little bit deeper look at their white paper, you just click on Green Paper, and it's going to bring you to their white paper. In this, they talk about the actual mechanics of the game and how Green Bitcoin has come about. Ultimately, what Green Bitcoin, they say, is it combines the benefits of Bitcoin and the love that people have had for Bitcoin for years, but also with Ethereum's eco-friendly blockchain, because Ethereum is much more environmentally friendly with proof of stake. Bitcoin is proof of work, requires a lot of energy. That's one of the biggest criticisms of Bitcoin among institutions, is that it consumes more energy than entire nations to mine Bitcoin. But with Green Bitcoin, ultimately, it has the benefits of being an ERC20 token because it's on the Ethereum blockchain, hence using proof of stake. So with Green Bitcoin, there are a few main things that stand out for it, in my opinion. So first of which is when you talk about staking rewards, Green Bitcoin is totally a staking project. And they say it introduces a gamified green staking, which allows for exponential rewards and up to 100% token bonuses. New challenges will be live every single week. And while the platform isn't available just yet, once its pre-sale is complete, it will officially launch. When you're looking at the timeline, we'll get back to the white paper in a minute, but when you look at the timeline and roadmap on their website, you can see how step one is going to be the pre-sale launch, which is where we are right now. This is building a strong foundation, strong community, getting people to become part of the green Bitcoin ecosystem. Then step 2 is going to be where staking and predictions go live. That is where that gamified approach finally comes into play, where you see their platform launch. You could bet on Bitcoin's price going up and down, and you can earn additional rewards. Step 3 is going to be token release. When GBTC hits Ethereum dexes, and you're going to start seeing it launch on major exchanges. Then step 4 is going to be to earn rewards and continue building the community. It's going to be to let the GBTC holders earn by staking and playing with weekly price prediction games, and just encouraging everyone to take part in the community. In addition to this, the white paper also talks about the tokenomics. This is pretty key because with the tokenomics, it's broken down in a very smart way, which enhances the community involvement. That is that 40% is going to be to pre-sale, which early adopters are getting a significant advantage getting in early, lower prices, hence, potential higher rewards. In addition to this, by getting involved during pre-sale, you also can benefit from staking already. They have 27.5% of the token supply allocated to staking rewards, helping to ensure that there's long-term value and engagement with the project. In addition to this, 17.5% for marketing, 10% liquidity, and 5% to community rewards. All of these aspects, I think, really are what make it a project that is attractive for early adopters, because you see that you not only do you have the benefit of getting in at earlier prices during the pre-sale, not only do you get benefits from the staking rewards, but also they have all of these other aspects of the tokenomics, such as marketing liquidity, which ensure that long-term the project has a lot of benefits over other projects. So all these things are pretty cool. When we look at the white paper, we could see a few other things in addition to just the roadmap and tokenomics. You could see that they talk a little bit about the game in particular. And this is what I think is really important, because they show how Green Bitcoin is going to provide a daily staking reward system based on Bitcoin's price movement. They're going to be able to stake your tokens, forecast whether or not Bitcoin's price will rise or fall the next day, and similar to Bitcoin's average block time, GBTC tokens, the rewards, will accumulate every 10 minutes. And the process is you place your green Bitcoin price prediction. When the new day rolls over, a fresh round kicks off, letting you stake and submit your next price call. If you have an accurate price prediction, you earn a proportionate share of the daily staking reward pool, and then you can claim the aggregate of your day's rewards every single 24-hour cycle. The way you can earn more and earn extra rewards is by staking your tokens for longer. So daily stakers simply earn a proportion of the rewards allocated to their size of their staking, like relative to the total stake amount. Just a simple proportion, simple percentage. But if you have a weekly stake, then those who choose to stake their tokens for a week are entitled to a 5% bonus on top of their regular daily rewards as a recognition for their extended commitment. You have a monthly stakers who get a 10% bonus, and a 6-month staker who gets a 15% bonus. So ultimately, this is just a game where you are betting on the price of Bitcoin going up or down long term. By staking your tokens, you don't lose out on your potential gains by holding GBTC token, but you also can benefit from betting correctly on the price of Bitcoin. So it's like a win-win situation. You continue to hold your GBTC tokens, you get the staking rewards, and if you're able to bet correctly on whether Bitcoin's price goes up or down, you also get that as well. So this is a pretty cool project, in my opinion, that really gamifies the approach to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in general. It allows you to maintain and hold your GBTC tokens while also betting on the price of Bitcoin. And if you're betting correctly, if you're making smart predictions, well, then you earn those additional rewards. So this is a pretty cool project, in my opinion. I did recently buy into it during pre-sale, and I think with everything going on with a spot Bitcoin ETF and a lot of people expecting an approval, either way, whether it's approved or not, there's going to be a lot of volatility for Bitcoin, which is going to help with Green Bitcoin and this crypto pre-sale in general. So let me know your thoughts on this, but I think it's pretty cool, and I did recently get involved.